How can we reduce vacuum cleaner sound? A vacuum cleaner needs to work for a few hours to clean the entire house. The noise this device makes will annoy the users and inmates alike. Reducing the sound of a vacuum cleaner can make your cleaning experience more pleasant. Here are some tips to help you reduce the noise generated by a vacuum cleaner. Choose a quiet model. When purchasing a vacuum cleaner, look for models that are designed to be quieter. Many manufacturers now offer silent or quiet models that have noise-reducing features. Check the decibel rating. Vacuum cleaners are often labeled with a decibel (dB) rating that indicates their noise level. Lower dB ratings indicate quieter machines. Regular maintenance. A vacuum cleaner that's well maintained is likely to be quieter. Make sure to clean or replace filters, empty the dustbin, and check for any clogs regularly. Use a soft brush attachment. Some vacuum cleaners come with brush attachments that are specifically designed for hardwood floors or delicate surfaces. These attachments tend to be quieter than traditional brush rollers. Insulate noise. You can place soft materials, like foam or rubber, underneath or around the vacuum cleaner to help absorb and dampen the sound. Vacuum during daytime. If you live in an apartment building or have neighbors nearby, try to vacuum during daytime hours when noise is generally more acceptable. This can help minimize disturbance. Close doors. Close doors to rooms that you are not currently vacuuming. This can help contain the sound and prevent it from spreading throughout your living space. Reduce suction power. Some vacuum cleaners allow you to adjust the suction power. Lowering the suction can reduce the noise, though it might also impact the cleaning efficiency. Use noise-cancelling headphones. If the noise remains bothersome, you can wear noise-cancelling headphones while vacuuming to block out the sound. Place rugs or carpets. Having rugs or carpets on the floor can help absorb some of the noise generated by the vacuum cleaner. DIY soundproofing. If you are up for a project, you can create a DIY soundproofing box or enclosure for your vacuum cleaner. This can significantly reduce the noise it produces. Remember that complete silence might not always be achievable, as vacuum cleaners inherently produce noise due to the mechanical components involved. However, by implementing some of these tips, you can certainly reduce the vacuum cleaner's noise and make the cleaning process more enjoyable for yourself and those around you.